Hello guys, good morning and welcome back. So now in this video, I want to take my time to show you all the tools we need as fashion designers. Like these tools I'm going to show you now, and materials are the materials you must have and before you make a good outfit. And bear in mind that these materials might not be cheap as you might think, might also not be expensive as you also might think, right? So I will show you the tools and explain to you where they are being used. So I'm now in the shop, I buy the items. So let me take my time to go through the processes. So here we have the first tool we have here is our long ruler. Now this ruler has different types. Now this one is the one that just came out. So you must have a ruler, either this or this, right? But I would recommend you get this. It's more, fanciful and I think better off. So this ruler is a must-have for every fashion designer. You must have your ruler for you to be able to get straight lines, get your lines marked out without any error. So here we have our pattern master. So this pattern master is being sold for the range of 2,000 to 3,000, depends on the source or where you are buying from. So you must have this. It's called pattern master, right? So this is important, and which you have seen me using it in my illustrations and in my teachings. As well, it's called vary curve rule. It's also used in our markings and in our trouser drafting, right? This one is called multi-function clothier ruler. It's being used for the armhole, for your neckline, and also has a straight ruler at this point. So this set of rules are some of the rules that you'll be using or you must also have. Here we have cloth gum, or what they call material gum. So this is like a fabric, right? It's called a fusible cloth gum. So it's like a fabric. It has the gummy part, the shiny part, and the back part does not have gum. So you iron from the back side. It sticks to the fabric, right? So this is called material gum. It has different textures: medium, light, and soft. Also another type of material gum, another texture of it. So if you go to a tailor shop, you ask her or ask him all of these things you are seeing in this video, he or she will show you. So here as well I have is the collar gum, or the stiff neck. You see how strong it is, right? So this is called the collar gum. So this will be used on the collars, the flap, and some pockets when you are making your senator outfit. So this is called the collar gum. It also has different textures, both the light, medium, and strong. I like using the strong one, that the medium one. Look at how strong it is, right? So it's for collar only, flaps, and some pocket designs. Here we have the set of gum stay. So this gum stay as well has different textures. It has the light, it also has the medium, and it also has the strong part. So this is always used on your band for Ankara, and sometimes on band for English trousers, and also used for female jobs and some other areas from front pocket gumming of the English trouser. It's called the gum stay, or what they call the paper gum, right? So this is how it looks like. So when you go to a tailor shop, you get all of these gums because you use them in your practicals and in your sewing accessories. So here as well I have my hemming gum. Now hemming gum has black texture, it also has white texture, right? All of them are the same stuff, right? So I prefer using white hemming gum on hemming the trousers, doing my fabric preparations and every other thing. And then the black as well can also be used only on black fabrics. Don't use black hemming gum on white fabrics. It will stain it or it will show. So these hemming gums comes in different sizes and varieties. So they have the one they sell for 900, 1, 2, and also 400 thereabout. It also has the smaller version, which is still here, right? So this hemming gum is also very important for you to also have. Is the engine room for all jobs or all works you'll be doing on your outfit. Look at how it is. It's like a tape, right? It has gum at the both sides of it. So once you put it on fabric, you fold and iron, it sticks and glues. Like I said, it's being used to hem the trouser legs, your top hem, and every other area you need to hem or fold on your outfit. You have what they call the English band for your trouser. So this band is used on your English trousers. So you will see me using it on my English trousers. So they can sell it in roll or in yards. So you must get it as well and have it in your place. So, they have different types of it. You can buy the one they have white, black, and every other type you might want to see. Look at them. These are the bands for our English trouser. It's only used on English trousers, not on Ankara. We have what they call the seam ripper. Let me open it and show you. So this is called the seam ripper. It's being used to loosen any line that you want to lose on your clothes, right? So this serves like a blade, a razor blade, that it rips off any threads on your sewn areas. So you use it to lose. This is the best tool you use to lose your seams and also open your buttonholes on your shirts and every other area you have made buttonholes on. So this seam ripper is also very important that you get them. It has the bigger one and has also the smaller sizes. Whichever one you want to use is very much acceptable. You must have seam ripper. So here we have set of pins. Now these pins we are seeing now are called the tailor pins, right, or designer pins. So you can decide to buy any one of your choice, but the one I recommend is either this one or this one in a box. So these pins will help you to pin your panels of your cloth whenever you are sewing. Before you start sewing, it also gives you an edge to have a relaxed outfit when you are stitching your outfit, right? So these pins are essential that you must have them and use it in your further sewings. We have our trouser hook for trousers. So I will also show you guys how it's being used. So this hook has the 2-pin hook and 3-pin hook, but the one I use for my English trousers are the 2-pin hook. So you will see them as well subsequently when we start sewing English trousers. And then if you have watched my previous videos I made, you will see that these hooks have been used in our several videos. We have the tailor's chalk, right? So this chalk is essential that you must use it in your sewing. Don't use the whiteboard chalk. It's not professional. This is called the tailor's chalk. So let's see how it looks like at the inside. It's the best form of chalk to use whenever you are sewing. So this is how it looks like. It's called the tailor's chalk. A pack is being sold for I think 800 naira or 1000 depending, and then one is sold for 150 naira or 200 naira. So this tailor's chalk is essential that all tailors must have it, and make sure that you use white chalk on white fabrics and colored chalks on colored fabrics, right? So this is how the tailor's chalk is used. So here I have what they call the bias for English trousers. Now this bias has white and black. Now these two bias are being used in corporate English trouser sewing. So when you have these tools, you notice that everything, these tools I have shown you in this video are the tools that you must have for you to have a perfect outfit. There are no shortcuts to it, right? So you must make sure you get white for white outfit and also black for colored outfit. So here we have a set of threads. Now these threads are the threads you must use in accordance to your customers' color of fabric and everything. And here we have fancy buttons for your shirts and every other buttons, trousers you might want. So these are the things you should look out for whenever you're going to buy for your stuffs. And here we have a pair of scissors. Now this scissors is called the CEO size 11. Now this scissors is very essential that you have a big one like this to cut fabrics, right? So it's been sold for I think around 8,000 naira or thereabout. So this scissors comes in different sizes as well. It has size 10, size 11, and also size 12. So here is size 11 for this. And here are the smaller scissors that can be used to trim linings, cut your gums, cut your pattern papers, and every other thing needed. And this might be for weaving threads and every other thing. Alright guys, thanks for watching. I hope you do enjoy the video. See you guys on the next episode. Bye bye for now.